Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily extend the video duration in CapCut so you can make your video longer. So in here, I have a 20 seconds long video and I want to make this video longer. So you can use this trick. So you can just click on the video here on a timeline and go to the speed menu at the bottom. Here to extend the duration, you can just slow down the speed of the video. So I'm going to just slow it down a bit into 0 0.7 seconds, 0 0.7 times, sorry. And now the video will turn into a 29 seconds video. Click on a check icon and just like that, the video is now longer. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.